Time is the most valuable resource in business. But what if artificial intelligence could give you 10 extra hours every single week? In this video, we will explore 7 powerful AI tools that entrepreneurs and businesses are using to automate work, increase productivity, and stay ahead of everyone else. The first tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI assistants available today. It can help you write emails, generate business ideas, summarize information, and even create full articles in seconds. Instead of spending hours researching or writing, ChatGPT allows you to complete tasks in minutes. The second tool is Notion AI. Notion is already a powerful productivity tool used by entrepreneurs and teams around the world. But with Notion AI, it becomes even more powerful. It can summarize notes, generate ideas, write documents, and organize information automatically. For businesses and creators, it helps turn messy ideas into structured plans within seconds. The third tool is Zapier. Zapier is an automation platform that connects thousands of different apps together. Instead of doing repetitive work manually, Zapier allows you to automate entire workflows. For example, you can automatically send emails, save data, or update spreadsheets without lifting a finger. For businesses, this can save hours of manual work every week. The fourth tool is Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI writing assistant designed mainly for marketing and business content. It helps users create blog posts, advertisements, product descriptions, and social media content much faster than traditional writing. Many businesses use Jasper to scale their content creation without hiring large writing teams. The fifth tool is Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI image generation tool that allows users to create high-quality images from simple text prompts. It is widely used for creating thumbnails, marketing visuals, and creative designs. Instead of hiring designers or spending hours editing, Midjourney can generate stunning visuals in seconds. The sixth tool is Descript. Descript is an AI-powered video and audio editing tool. It allows users to edit videos just by editing text, making the process much faster and easier. It also includes features like automatic subtitles, voice cloning, and screen recording. For content creators, this can significantly speed up the editing process. The seventh and final tool is Pictory. Pictory is an AI video creation tool that allows users to turn scripts into full videos automatically. It can generate visuals, add subtitles, and even create voiceovers. For businesses and content creators, this means you can create videos quickly without needing advanced editing skills. These AI tools are changing the way businesses operate. If you start using them today, you can save time, increase productivity, and stay ahead of the competition. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content like this.